Alrighty, today we're going to be unboxing the Zen Jar by Hydroponics. This is supposed to be their smallest mini home garden product. So before we get into the unboxing, I'm going to show you what it looks like. This is what the finished product will look like. Here we have a butter lettuce head that has been growing for about 4 weeks and can already be harvested. We're just going to let it grow a little bit longer, and then with this you could really easily throw it into a salad with some tangerines and cashews. Now, something really interesting about the Zen Jar is that it's hydroponic growing. So believe it or not, there's no soil in these jars. Now I'm gonna show you this jar over here. This one is not painted. It is incredible. Check it out. This is what it looks like inside the jars themselves. Can you see that? I don't know how well, I hope you can see that. But these are the roots of the lettuce hanging down, floating in mid-air, and then dipping into water. And that's how they get their nutrients. And look at the lettuce on this. Here I'm gonna show you what these roots look like too, since this one's painted. But look at these roots. Look at that, that is beautiful. They're white and they have a bunch of little hairs. It kind of looks alien, but it's really cool. So without further ado, let's get into the Zen Jar. Now this one in particular is the champagne pink with lemon balm seeds. It says so there on the side of the box. It comes with this twine rope around it, so you know your box hasn't been messed with since it's been in transit. Now, like I said, this one is the champagne pink colored, which is the same as this color here, but it does come in a variety of colors. It comes in desert rose, hammered pewter, which is kind of like a metal color, champagne pink, turquoise, and aged copper. Here's the aged copper. We have this one here, and let me put it next to the champagne pink so you can kind of see it's a little bit darker than the rose. And then it also comes in a wide selection of seeds. You can get it in Bib lettuce, spicy arugula, chocolate mint, lemon balm, basil, and cilantro. That's what's on the website right now, but new seeds are being added. So by the time that you check the website, there will probably be some more seed options there. Look at that. There's the champagne pink jar, protected by bubble wrap. And get it out of the box. It's in there really snug. And there's a couple of other stuff in there, but I want to see this jar. That's pretty. It did a really nice job of spray painting it pink all the way around. And then inside we have a nice little flashy Hydroponic sticker. The instructions and a grow calendar, and a little packet where it says plant nutrients and lemon balm. So this is where the plant nutrients and the seeds are, with a message saying do not consume, obviously. But let's see what all is in here. All right, so inside we have the net pot and the little grow pod. This is a condensed soil pod. So you just drop this in a little cup with a bit of water, and it'll expand. It'll absorb all the water and it'll expand. And then there's a little hole at the top, and you can kind of like make a deeper hole with your pinky. You drop your seeds in and they'll start sprouting in a day or two, just like that. They make it really easy, and all that's included. Now let's get into the envelope. Now what's nice, I like about the size is that it's so small and compact that you can fit it just about almost anywhere. So what we have here is a nice little letter from the founder, kind of like a thank you letter. They did a really nice touch of adding some information about hydroponics. It goes into detail about the history of the hydroponics, saying it dates as early as the 1600s, and it gives the names of the scientists who have contributed to studying hydroponics and evolving the science. What we have is an optimized formulation of nutrients that have been specifically made to help grow the plants very quickly and as fresh as possible. And it's really neat. It even tells you which nutrients it comes with. So it comes with potassium nitrate, magnesium sulfate, calcium nitrate, a couple of other chemicals here. So this is really cool. If you're into gardening and into plants, you could easily learn more about it here and learn about the nutrients that go into growing your plants. It seems like it could be a really cool project to do with your family. If you have some kids, you could show them about plants and about gardening and about how nutrients such as these are used to eventually grow something beautiful like this and tasty. And here we have the lemon balm seeds. They're tiny, but they'll grow into a big plant. And last but not least, we have the instructions and the growing calendar. So here it has the instructions separated into 3 phases. You have the setup and germination phase, the nursery phase, and then the growing phase. Here we have the interactive grow calendar. I love this little touch to the product because with this, it's really easy to follow the growing process of your plant. There's little white boxes next to each growing phase so that you can kind of check them off as you go. And that way, it's very easy to keep track of what day you're on with your plant, when you need to transfer it over to the Zen Jar after germinating it, when you need to pour in the nutrients, and it makes it really simple and easy to keep track of where you are in the growing phase. And you can keep that next to your plant as it grows, so you can check out the boxes every day. So that's the Zen Jar unboxing. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, if you like the unboxing, please check out our website and follow us on social media. We love to interact with customers and people that are interested in growing. We hope that you like what you see and check us out online. Thanks.